Tired of losing customers? In this video, I will be diving into the world of predictive modeling and how it can help you identify customers who are most at risk of churning. By understanding and leveraging these insights, you can take proactive steps to retain your valuable subscribers and grow your revenue. Stick around for step 5, which is all about how you can take practical actions once you have a predictive churn model. When I was VP of Customer Retention at Virgin Mobile, I found that predictive churn modeling was a major game changer. Using the model allowed me to execute very targeted retention campaigns, which enabled Virgin Mobile to reduce churn by 20% and achieve the lowest churn in our industry. If you want to experience similar results, I encourage you to apply for a free coaching call with me by using the link in the description and pinned in the comments. When I worked for AT&T and Virgin Mobile as the head of customer retention, I tested and executed hundreds of programs to perfect my customer retention strategy. I know that my 20+ years of experience will serve you well when it comes to reducing churn and increasing customer retention for your business. Now, let's dive into predictive modeling. But first, let's briefly touch upon churn. Churn refers to the percentage of subscribers who cancel their subscriptions within a given period. Understanding churn is vital because retaining existing customers is often more cost-effective than acquiring new ones. Now, let's explore how predictive modeling can assist you in finding your subscription customers who are most at risk of churning. Predictive modeling involves analyzing historical customer data and using it to make predictions about future behavior. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, you can uncover patterns that signal and indicate potential churn. The first step in using predictive modeling is gathering relevant data. This typically includes customer demographics, transaction history, usage patterns, and engagement metrics. Now, once you have this data, you can begin the analysis process. During analysis, you'll identify key variables that are strong indicators of churn. These variables can vary depending on your specific business, but they may include factors such as usage frequency, customer complaints, and sudden changes in engagement. With these identified variables, you can now build a predictive model. The model uses historical data to train an algorithm to predict the likelihood of a customer churning. There are various machine learning techniques you can employ, such as logistical regression, decision trees, or neural networks. Once the model is built, it's essential to evaluate its performance. You can use specific techniques to assess how accurately your model predicts churn. And iterative improvements can be made by refining the model based on in-market feedback and, of course, monitoring its effectiveness. Finally, armed with these insights provided by your predictive model, it's time to take action. The model will assign a churn probability score to each customer, indicating the likelihood of leaving in the future. And then you divide the at-risk customers into different segments based on their churn probability score. For example, you create segments like high risk, medium risk, and low risk. And then you develop targeted retention strategies for each segment. For customers in the high risk segment, implement proactive measures to prevent churn. This can include reaching out to them with personalized offers, providing enhanced customer support, or offering exclusive incentives to encourage them to stay. For customers in the medium risk segment, focus on nurturing their loyalty and addressing any potential pain points. This can involve sending them reminders, engaging them with relevant contact, or offering them additional benefits to increase their satisfaction and reduce their likelihood of churn. And there you have it. By utilizing predictive modeling, you can proactively identify your subscription customers most at risk of churning and implement effective retention strategies before they churn. Remember, understanding and catering to your customers' needs is key to building a successful subscription-based business. I'd be more than happy to guide you in predicting who your at-risk customers are. I know I just gave you a lot of information and that a YouTube video can only take you so far in helping your business since you have specific questions and unique circumstances. And so I encourage you again to apply for a free coaching call with me. The link is down below and pinned in the comments. Let's work together to unlock your business's hidden potential.